All right, let me take y'all through my second catering event. My family booked me, which I'm very grateful for. It was a party of 12. I made mac and cheese, lasagna, curry chicken, rotel dip, cabbage. It was a bunch of food. It was great vibes. I'm just grateful for my second catering. I'm able to be out here doing what I love while making sure people get fed at the same time. So first, y'all know I start everything prepping from a day before or 2 days before, prior to the event. So first, we're going to clean off this chicken. We're going to clean it thoroughly. Get some lime, lemon, some type of vinegar, something, but make sure that thing is clean, man. Y'all see that right there? Ooh, wait, that's how you want your chicken to be. Now I'm grinding down some spices, some pimento seeds, because this is for the curry chicken. Some scallions, you know what I'm saying? Some onions, yellow onion, cut up your red onion. I'm not using red onion for the curry chicken, but I'm prepping everything at one time. So that's basically why you see me just cutting a bunch of stuff. So like this might be for the curry chicken, another might be for the jerk chicken, something else. Look, I got that fresh thyme from the farmer's market. Y'all see that right there? I paid like $12 for all that. Now I'm making a jerk sauce from scratch. Chicken is well cleaned. Now I'm seasoning it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some onion, some garlic, a little bit of everything. Then this is the jerk seasoning I put on there because we finna do this jerk chicken. Then I put that green sauce on there. You know, I had to mix that in real well. And then the other chicken, you know, we gonna use that for something else. But now I'm at the house where it's all going down. Right now, you see me, I'm making the cabbage. First things first, we gonna get that settled away. Yes, the cabbage was, ooh wee. It was good, y'all, it was good. Brown them things up. This is turkey sausage I'm using. I ain't have a big enough pot, so you know I had to make it work how I made it work. You seen what I threw in there just now? Ooh, wait, that thing gotta stay flavorful, baby, nice and flavorful. Now we gonna do here, we gonna burn this curry, because we got that curry chicken about to go up in here, and it's about to go down. Now we gonna sit that curry on each side for about maybe 2, 3, 4, like 2, 3 minutes. That thing nice and brown like me. Ooh, we hit it with a little bit of coconut milk. You want to keep that thing in there. Keep all that seasoning and flavor in there. Hit it with a little bit of water, just a little bit. And we got that cabbage looking, ooh, very, very good. Now we finna break this thing down like some za. Season it with some onions, some garlic, smoked paprika. Get that rotel with the heavy cream. Ooh, y'all see that? Nice and silky. I like Velveeta, so I'm going to use Velveeta, jalapenos. Y'all see that curry is working real hard. Hit it with the potatoes and the carrots. At the end, if you know, you know. And then that rotel. Now we working on that lasagna. Ooh, wait. Yes, Lord. Work on that ricotta cheese dip. I like to add spinach on mine. You can do whatever you want to yours. Got that Italian herbs paste. Now we just going to assemble our lasagna before we put that thing in the oven on 350 for about an hour and a half. And then we're going to take it out and then broil it for a few minutes till that thing get nice and bubbly, baby. Now we're going to shred that cheese, but we're going to grate it from hand. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know when y'all see that bouillon and that water, that mac and cheese is being made. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Big butter, baby. Heavy cream. You know we got to use that carbonation. And we got that fresh cheese that we grated ourselves. Because you know the fresh cheese is best. Fresh parsley. Make that root. Hey, man. Get right. Get right. You see that? You see the consistency right there. Ooh, wee. Make sure you hit them noodles with some smoked paprika and some garlic, salt, pepper. Look, mix that. Oh, yeah, don't forget this. This is crucial. That Dijon mustard really make a difference. Trust me. Try it and let me know if I was right or if I was right. See that right there, y'all? Ooh, wee. That's how you want your mac to be. If you can hear the sound, you know it's... Now we got it in the oven. We're going to take it out. We're going to broil that thing. In the backyard now, man. Now I'm in the backyard. I'm about to get the grill going, get this jerk chicken going. Because you know that jerk got to be jerking, baby.
Get it hot, get it hot, get it hot. We can make that.
Y'all see how mighty fine them things looking right there? Oh, wait. Let the grill settle down. Make sure all the charcoal's cooked. Then we're going to put that thing on there. Then after, we let it go back up. And we're going to get that char that we want.
take it off. Now we ready to go. We ready to go. Y'all see I got my little mop brush, you know what I'm saying? Had to spray that baby, make sure it stay nice and juicy. Y'all see it right there. Ooh, we jerk chicken. Oh my gosh.
Y'all ain't nothing new to me, boy. See that right there? I see that right there. See that right there? Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. Look at that. Stop playing with me, boy.
So basically, everything was done. Everything was good. Jerk chicken. It was juicy. It was flavorful. Y'all see that right there. Ooh, we had the mac and cheese, the rotel. That's the rotel dip right there. Mac and cheese was macking. Everything was on point. I had a good time. It was a great experience. Y'all see I got my waterfall game up a little bit. You know, I try to set the ambiance.
Oh my God. Even the gravy is good. The sauce.
Everything was on point, y'all. I'm telling you, it was flavorful. It was delicious. And look, that's how I'm trying to do every catering event. I give it up.
We can make that. And he made that.
I made that.
He did that.
Hey!
I get my portion.
Exactly. You got your.
And I got
Hey, Dan. Gone. Gone.
We can make that.
We can make
We can make that.
Hey!
He made that.
He made that.
We did it.
He did it.
He can make that. Chef Flaco.
We did it.
That.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's done. All right. Time to wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
This one taste and that's all I get. It's all right.
It's all right.
Second time I eat food from this cup. Drop it. Drop it.
Look, we can make that.
Hey.
Hey. That.
I need.
So, thank you for everything.
We can make that.
We can make that.
I want to thank my mom for always being there, being supportive, helping me with all of my dreams and helping support to make them come true. Thank you, Des, for your hands.
Yes.
For your hands to help prepare this. Thank you to my Tia for being there always, like a second mom to me. And thank you to the entire family, to those joining in. I want to say, bless this food, let it nourish our bodies, right? And give thanks to the Most High for those for having it, and pray for the ones that don't have it, right? So today we're coming together, and I want to pray for the mothers here, that God bless you all. All praise up to the Most High. Amen.
Amen. I seen that cheese pull. Thank you. I'm sorry.